So Deepak, another great day, 6 in a row. That's like another perfect day in the office. So talk us about the performance, especially the guys up front. Rohit Sharma also performed. So what was the key to the recipe?
I think we're playing good cricket as a unit, and everybody is in the form, including bowlers and batsmen. Everybody has performed in last 8 to 9 matches, and obviously when you're performing as a team, and then you as a player have a confidence. Even as a batter or bowler, everybody is in the form, and then you can take the extra time when you're batting or when you're bowling. So I think it's just the collective teamwork and everybody is in form that gives a lot of confidence to everybody.
You're top of the table right now as things stand. So do you see the momentum being building upon, and where do you see firmly in the playoff races? What is the morale in the team like at the moment?
So I think it's good to be on the top. Obviously, when you finish on top two, you get an extra chance. So obviously, all the teams those who are playing, they want to finish in top two, and I think the momentum is with us. And as a player and as a team, you focus on the particular game. Winning and losing is the end result, and then you focus on the game and match to match. So obviously, the momentum is with us, and we're focusing on the next game now.
Deepak, how's your experience with, especially when you are in a tryout, especially you, Bumrah, and the Bolt? So
Yeah, I think it's very different, and as a bowler, when you're bowling with world class partners, I think it becomes easy for you because as a bowler, if you have a bad over and then that bad over is backed by a brilliant over or a wicket, then it's an easy job for me again to come and bowl to the new batter, right? So bowling with world class bowlers, those who have consistently done well in international cricket and IPL, obviously it's helping me. And when you bowl as a bowling unit, it becomes difficult for the other team also.
दीपक क्या एक्सपेक्ट किया था इतने स्कोर के बाद राजस्थान बिल्कुल लो मतलब ज़्यादा फाइट नहीं कर पाएगी एक्सपेक्ट किया
I think एक्सपेक्ट तो आप कर नहीं सकते हो कुछ भी। वो लास्ट गेम में दे प्लेड रियली गुड क्रिकेट। उन्होंने 200 रन का आराम से चेस किया था ओवरसी। एंड एज अ बॉलिंग यूनिट ए बॉलर यू प्लान मैच से पहले, तो हमारे प्लान्स रेडी थे, वी वर रेडी विद द प्लान्स, और हमने वही एग्जीक्यूट करने की कोशिश की। और मैच में ऑब्वियसली आप ये सोचते नहीं हो कि हम 100 रन से जीतेंगे, 50 रन जीतेंगे। वो 1 रन से भी जीतो तो वो जीत होती है। आई थिंक हमारा फोकस वही था कि जो हमारे प्लान्स हैं वो हम एग्जीक्यूट करें।
Deepak, this is Suhas from Times of India. Of all the hype around Vaibhav Suryavanshi, how do you plan his wicket, and can you describe the first 2-3 balls, in fact only 2 balls he plays? How do you describe his wicket? You plan that wicket, or it just happened that he timed the ball and then it went to straight to middle?
I think he played a breathtaking knock the last night whenever RR played. So there's a pattern to every batsman. Somewhere he's strong, somewhere he'll be weak. So as a bowler and as a unit, we decide and make plan to every batter, not just him. But yeah, and sometimes the plan works, sometimes it doesn't work. So today it went our way. We were lucky. But he's a good talent, and I think he'll do well in the coming future. Yeah.
टूर की जगह पे रिप्लेसमेंट में रघु शर्मा है, क्या आने वाले मैच में हम देख सकते हैं? क्योंकि उनका डोमेस्टिक या फर्स्ट क्लास मैच बहुत अच्छा रहा है, तो मुंबई इंडियंस हमेशा यूथ को प्रमोट करती है। अब तो प्लेऑफ में मोस्टली आप क्वालिफाई कर चुके हैं, तो क्या कुछ मैसेज?
ये आई थिंक कैप्टन और मैनेजमेंट का कॉल है। मैं डिसाइड नहीं करता हूँ कौन खेलने वाला है, बट हाँ बहुत अच्छा बॉलर है। आई प्लेड हिम इन द नेट्स। उसके बाद काफ़ी अच्छी वेरिएशन है एंड इज एक्सपीरियंस, तो काफ़ी अच्छा है। अगर खेलेगा तो आई थिंक ही विल डू वेल इन IPL। थैंक यू।